Global manufacturers rely on dealer networks to sell and service products. These dealers go through long drawn physical training programs for sales and support teams. This drains profitability with needless resources and real estate. Is your current training process the typical three-step routine with classroom training and interactive physical trials by the instructor, followed by hands on training by the trainee? Well, COVID 19 related travel restrictions have forced such companies to abandon new product launches. With increased pressure for cost reduction, the old ways of training cannot get employees up to speed as fast as the market demands. This calls for a digital approach which can be deployed at scale and accessed remotely by your dealers across the globe. Let's do just that with Exxar Huddle, a cloud based interactive training platform. The first step is to replace the physical model with a virtual aggregate. What better way to start than with the 3D CAD data of the aggregate? Exxar allows the product design team to securely publish the CAD data, the latest variant of the Euro 6 engine in this case, from within the native design tool with just a click of a button. No export, no import, no data preparation. Enter your secure XR Cloud login detail and make the data instantly accessible to your customer experience team. Let's move over to step 2, where the instructor creates the SOP and publishes the training catalog. XR makes the job of an instructor or a subject matter expert very simple with its drag and drop user interface. Oh, wait, let's hear it from the instructor herself.
I have launched Exxar on my desktop, and this training environment looks just like those physical centers I used to teach at. Well, I now have the complete data here without any data loss. I can create the SOP for repairing the rocker shaft assembly with just this point and click UI with step 1, step 2, and so on. Let me publish this SOP and share this interactive training with my dealer network.
And folks, that's all it takes to create the training session on XR. Not a single line of code, and your training catalog is ready to be accessed by thousands of dealerships all over the globe. Lastly, we have the trainees remotely accessing the training session that was just published using a tablet device, desktop, or even an AR VR device. Let's hear it from the dealer technician.
You know, I've been struggling to learn the new procedures without an interactive training session, but now I can see the instructions for the SOP and also watch how my instructor performs the whole operation. Let me try this with my own hands now. I'm now able to interactively perform the assembly disassembly operations myself with these visual highlights guiding me through the process.
Hello there, how's it going? I just wanted to check in with you on the remote training session and see if you had any doubts with the assembly process.
This tool is really great, and you are right. I am now familiar with the whole SOP, and the best thing is I'm getting trained remotely sitting right here at the local dealership.
There you go. Beats having to travel to a physical training center and waiting in line for your turn, doesn't it?
Now that's going to instantly ramp up your training process, get your product launched on time, and also save you a lot of money in the process. Expect your employees to get work done from day one with interactive remote training powered by XR Huddle. Reach out to us for a free trial.